Imagine turning a quiet street corner and spotting something that feels like it rolled straight out of a time machine. Polished brass gleaming under the sun, intricate wooden carvings catching every shadow, and slowly gliding forward on 3 elegant wheels. At first glance, it looks like a royal carriage from the Victorian era, but then you notice the handlebars, the compact frame, and the fact that it's actually a fully functional home on a tricycle. This is the 2026 vintage Victorian tricycle home, and once you see what's inside, it completely changes the way you think about living on the road. The magic begins with its design. Every inch of this tricycle feels handcrafted with purpose. Rich mahogany panels wrap around the structure, detailed with floral carvings that feel like they belong in a 19th century palace. Brass lanterns sit on either side, not just for decoration, but fully functional, casting a warm golden glow at night. The wheels are oversized, spoked like antique bicycles, yet reinforced with modern engineering to handle real roads. It's the perfect blend of past and future, romance and practicality. But here's where things get even more interesting. This isn't just something you admire from the outside. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into a cozy Victorian-inspired interior that feels both nostalgic and surprisingly modern. The door swings open to reveal a compact, yet beautifully organized living space. Soft velvet upholstery lines a small seating area, paired with a foldable wooden table that can transform from a tea corner into a workspace within seconds. Above you, delicate lace curtains hang beside miniature windows, letting in just enough sunlight to create a warm, dreamy atmosphere. The ceiling features subtle carvings and soft ambient lighting, giving the entire space a calm, almost storybook-like feeling. It's not just a home, it's an experience, and yes, it's fully functional. Hidden beneath all that vintage beauty is smart design. There's a compact bed that slides out effortlessly, turning the seating area into a comfortable sleeping space for 1 or even 2 people. Storage compartments are cleverly built into the walls and under the floor, allowing you to carry everything you need without cluttering the space. There's even a tiny kitchenette tucked into one corner, complete with a small stove, sink, and enough room to prepare simple meals on the go. Now imagine waking up inside this tricycle home. The early morning light filters through those lace curtains, the air feels fresh, and you're parked somewhere peaceful, maybe by a quiet countryside road or near a scenic lake. You brew your morning tea, sit by the window, and for a moment, it feels like time has slowed down. That's the real beauty of this concept. It's not just about mobility. It's about creating a lifestyle that feels calm, intentional, and deeply personal. What makes the 2026 version even more fascinating is how it quietly integrates modern technology without breaking its vintage charm. Solar panels are subtly placed on the roof, almost invisible unless you're looking closely. They power the lighting, small appliances, and even help assist the electric pedal system, making it easier to ride despite the added weight of the home. There's also insulation built into the walls, keeping the interior comfortable in both warm and cool weather. And let's talk about the ride itself. Unlike traditional campers or RVs, this tricycle home moves at a slower, more deliberate pace. You're not rushing down highways, you're exploring. Every turn becomes part of the journey. People stop and stare, some smile, others pull out their phones to capture the moment. It naturally turns heads wherever it goes, not just because it's unique, but because it feels like a moving piece of art. But beyond the aesthetics and functionality, there's something deeper here. This tricycle home represents freedom in its purest form. No massive expenses, no complicated setups, no need for huge parking spaces. Just you, your home, and the open road. It challenges the idea that you need a big house to live comfortably. Instead, it proves that with smart design and creativity, even a small space can feel luxurious and fulfilling. Of course, it's not for everyone. Living in a compact space requires a certain mindset. You have to value simplicity, embrace minimalism, and find joy in the little things. But for those who do, this kind of lifestyle can be incredibly rewarding. It's about slowing down, appreciating your surroundings, and creating a life that feels less rushed and more meaningful. And let's be honest, there's also a huge creative appeal here. Whether you're a content creator, a traveler, or just someone who loves unique ideas, this tricycle home offers endless inspiration. Every location becomes a backdrop, every journey becomes a story. It's the kind of thing that doesn't just exist. It creates moments that as we move further into the future, concepts like this might become more common. With rising costs of living and a growing desire for flexible lifestyles, people are starting to rethink what home really means. And maybe, just maybe, the answer isn't bigger. It's smarter, more personal, and a lot more beautiful to own next time you imagine your dream home. Don't just think about square footage or luxury features. Think about how it makes you feel. Think about the freedom it gives you. Because sometimes, the most extraordinary homes aren't the biggest ones. They're the ones that move with you, tell a story, and turn every day into an adventure. If you enjoyed this unique journey into the world of the 2026 vintage Victorian tricycle home, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible ideas like this, and drop a comment below telling me, would you live in a home like this, even for a week? Bicycle Sparkles.